You may have noticed a few more high pollution advisories in the valley this past summer. Cronkite News reporter Sydnor found out what the advisories mean for your health.
Joseph, Giglio likes to work out, hike, and run. Giglio isn't always able to do those activities.
A year ago, I was diagnosed with asthma. I had it as a kid. It was more sports-related asthma, but as I grew older and as I got here, living here for a few years, it gained a little bit more and it's gotten a little bit worse.
Giglio says the air quality in Maricopa County is a factor with his asthma. According to the EPA, people with asthma, COPD, and other lung problems are more susceptible to the higher levels.
Certain days where I wake up and I'm like, all right, today's gonna be a day I'm gonna need my inhaler, or I'm gonna take it a little bit lighter than usual because I can already feel myself being a little bit constricted.
The Arizona Department of Environmental Quality issued high pollution advisories for Maricopa County for 30 days since May 1st.
Here's why we're having so much is because the weather conditions. We've had a long, hot, dry summer.
The advisories are also a result of the new standard. Even though the standard was changed, the county still has to meet the old standard along with the new standard. If the county doesn't meet the old standard, there are consequences.
And that would mean more stringent rules for our residents, for our businesses.
On days where the county exceeds the standards, it affects people like Giglio.
Fortunately, there's been a few times where I've been on Mill Ave and I've been drinking, but I'll have an asthma attack and I'll have to run to my car and get my inhaler, and it kind of just ruins the mood.
You can sign up for alerts on the county's website to find out when there are high pollution advisories in your area. In Phoenix, Sydnor, Cronkite News.
On days where there are high pollution advisories, you can help by carpooling, fueling up after dark, and even going into restaurants instead of idling in the drive-thru.